Northbound traffic reroute due to road closure on Highway 97 in Doris. Alternate route for passenger vehicles only. From northbound Highway 97, turn east on Shady Dell Road, north on Butte Valley Road, north on Doris, Brown Road, north on Center Street to Highway 97.
I must collect all 5 Huggle Buddies! I did it! I've got them all! And now my life is complete!
You might want to take a recount, Ami.
Huh? Ich, ni, san, shi? I'm missing